Welcome back once again. If you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do so by clicking the subscription button down below the screen. Today we'll be talking about data analysis. Data analysis is an interesting component of your research. It is a process that involves the collection and the interpretation of data using statistical tools in order to arrive at a reasonable conclusion. Let's go through each of the processes involved step by step. Step 1 involved identifying and classifying your questions. It is your duty as a researcher to understand your questionnaire build-up vis-a-vis the research objectives or research objectives and hypotheses as the case may be. The emphasis here is which of the factors or questions relate directly with the objective at hand. After considering that, then there are some required actions which you must take. First is to ensure that each of your related questions are on the same scale. And not only that, it is your duty as a researcher to ensure that all related scales has acceptable data points. Not only that, the next is for you to clean up your data. The next episode is designed specially to treat data cleanup. So if you have issues with data and data cleanup, please do well to watch the next episode. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well by subscribing. The third step is to select the right statistical tools depending on what you want to achieve and the questions at hand. There are some approaches which you can follow. For instance, you can decide to treat each question on its own. In this case, we can call it univariate analysis. You can use bar charts, pie charts, box plots, even frequencies to handle questions in this regard. Also, you can use bivariate analysis, comparing two sets of questions with each other. We have the t-test and chi-square. These two can effectively handle questions in this category. We have the regression analysis, we have the correlation analysis, and we have time series analysis. For instance, if your own data were collected over time, you can use tools under time series analysis to handle it. In a broader perspective, analysis can be classified into two. We have the descriptive analysis and we have the inferential analysis. Descriptive is common with demographic variables and the focus is on summarizing data. We have the inferential statistics, which focuses on making prediction and testing of hypotheses. In this modern era where we have large number of data, analysis can be classified under 5 different subsections. We have the descriptive analysis, the inferential analysis, we have the diagnostic analysis, which is a deeper dive into the descriptive analysis. We have the predictive analysis, which is an extension of inferential statistics. And we equally have prescriptive analysis. This tells us which actions we must take after making our predictions. This table shows a comparison of the different types of analysis and the purpose which each of them are meant to achieve. Descriptive is meant to describe the characteristics inherent in a given data, and several techniques can be used to achieve that. We have the mean, the median, the frequencies, and chart. Inferential statistics make generalization from sample population. T-test, ANOVA, regression, correlation can be used to achieve that. We have the diagnostic analysis, which identify causes of events. Techniques that can be used includes root cause analysis, data mining, regression, and any other tools that falls under this category. We have the predictive analysis. The purpose is to forecast future outcomes. You can use decision tree, machine learning to achieve predictive statistics. We have the prescriptive analysis. In this case, actions are recommended after analysis. You can use simulation, optimization, or AI models to achieve this. The basic truth is all these tools are good fit for any of your analysis, but the choice of which to use depends broadly on the type of insight you are trying to make from the data set. Therefore, choose the one that will best communicate your intention. Thank you very much once again for taking your time to go through this episode. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, do well to subscribe for future updates.